For decades, Beacon Group's Cable and Wire Harness Assembly division has assembled high-quality products for local, national, and global customers. Beacon has invested in state-of-the-art equipment to offer affordable automated, semi-automated, and manual cable and wire harness assembly, allowing us to deliver quality and consistency with every project. We currently serve a variety of industries to produce cables and wire harnesses for medical devices, aerospace, defense and military, mining, automotive, semiconductor, consumer products, and more. Our customized solutions can meet the needs of any customer, big or small, simple or complex. With our turnkey capabilities, we can buy your components, manage your inventory, build your cable assembly, test and inspect your wire harnesses, fulfill your orders, and more. If you prefer to supply your own materials, we will provide you with the labor to build and test your cables. We can even subcontract our labor to your southern Arizona location. Our RoHS-compliant processes utilizes hundreds of miles of wire to build cable and wire harness assemblies each year, from prototype to full production volumes with quality in every cable and wire harness. As a skilled custom industrial cable manufacturer, Beacon is proud to be a member of IPC, Arizona Technology Council, the Wire Harness Manufacturers Association, and multiple chambers of commerce. We build tens of thousands of assemblies each year, ranging from simple to complex, which is why we can provide competitive pricing with short lead times. Our quality control and compliance are second to none. We build and ship for sites throughout the United States and can accommodate both large and small orders with a flexible minimum order quantity. Visit beacongroup.org/cables for more information